Hello everyone, very good afternoon. And today's topic for our presentation is Adani Wilmar initial public offer. So let's start the presentation without delay. Let's see the introduction for the first of all. Adani Enterprises Limited is an Indian multinational holding company of Adani Group headquartered in Ahmedabad. It has business interest in coal mining and trading, airport operations, edible oils, road, rail and water infrastructure, data centers, hydrocarbon exploration, defense and aerospace, multimodal logistics and agro commodities. It mainly it mainly deals with the group's integrated resources management, power trading, and natural resources business on a standalone basis. The holding company was incorporated in 1993 under the name of Adani Exports Limited. Its general purpose is to act as an in-house incubator for Adani Group's new businesses until they become self-sustainable. It is a publicly listed company which through its various subsidiaries is involved in solar PV module manufacturing, water infrastructure, data centers, agri output storage and distribution, defense and aerospace, bunkering, rail and metro infrastructure, real estate, financial services, oil exploration, petrochemicals and cement. Competitive strengths of the company: diversified product portfolio with leading brands catering to most daily essentials of an Indian kitchen. Second is strong brand recall, broad customer reach. Third is leadership in branded edible oil and packaged food business in India. Fourth is one of the largest basic oleochemical in manufacturers of India. Fifth is strong raw material sourcing capabilities from top global suppliers. Sixth is an integrated business model with well established operational infrastructure and strong manufacturing capabilities. Seventh is pan India distribution network supported by robust distribution infrastructure. Eighth is focus on environmental and social sustainability. Ninth is professional management and experienced board. Next slide. Adani Enterprises Limited, Adani Commodities LLP, and Lens Pte Limited are the company promoters. You can pause the slide over here and go through the last 3 years company's financials, their total assets, total revenue, and profit after deduction of tax, so that you can get the an idea of a company's financial capabilities. Next slide is objects of the issue. Funding. The very first objective of the company is funding capital expenditure for expansion of existing manufacturing facilities and developing new manufacturing facilities. Second is repayment and prepayment of borrowings, and third is funding strategies, acquisition and investment, and fourth is general corporate purposes. uh, the following the next slide is IPO details. So the currently IPO details are not they have not disclosed yet. So we have nothing to discuss over here. So nextly, thank you so much for giving your precious time. Have a good day.